Y'all, literally, this is like my fourth time trying to get this recorded. I keep having brain farts. Anyway, bringing you some country chic farmhouse Valentine decor that really it's not Valentine. You can keep it up year round. So I take my $1.25 heart from Dollar Tree and find some scrap paper that I like. Scrapbook paper. And I trace around the heart. So I have a stash of scrapbook paper, y'all. I don't know how I'm ever going to use it all because I keep buying more. So I trace this out and then I cut it out. And I'm going to glue it onto my wood heart. Now I cut it a little bit smaller than the wood heart so there's still that raw wood on the outside. And then I take my glue stick, which I found is best when you're gluing scrapbook paper down because it doesn't bubble, it doesn't tear if you like Mod Podge. Anyway, then I took some burnt umber paint and distressed the edges a little bit. You could use Waverly Antique Wax. You could use black. You could use any color you want because you need to make this yours. Then I took this doily, and I'm pretty sure that this is my grandmother's, not my great grandmother's. And I get it where I want it, and I hot glue it. And I don't show y'all me hot gluing it, but I hot glued it. And I made sure it was down good. Then I took some lace trim that I had. Actually, this is trim. It's not really lace per se. And I'm hot gluing that. Yep. Just like that. And that covers up where I folded under the doily, the lace doily. Taking some wired ribbon, I'm going to make a bow, just a simple bow. Like so. Shape it. Come on. Now let's hot glue it. Then I'm going to take some jute twine from Dollar Tree. And the ribbon was from Dollar Tree too, y'all. And I'm making a bow. And my fingers weren't big enough, so I'm using the burnt umber paint bottle to make my loops. You have to get creative when you're getting creative. And I tie that into a bow. And I probably did that around about 10 times. And then I fluff it out until I like it. And I probably fluffed it and fluffed it and fluffed it. Glued that on. And I took a little wooden tag. I think I got these from Amazon. I'm pretty sure. I distressed it, dried it. And then I took these rub-on transfers from Crafter Square. And I cut out the Forever. And I think the Love You. I think. Anyway, put those on, rubbed them on. You have to make sure you rub them good, y'all. And then I sealed it with Mod Podge. And I let it dry. Then I took some more jute twine and tied a knot through it. Put the key on. Yep. Then this is the Sola flowers. Y'all, you've got to get some of these. They are so pretty in person. And I put a little pearl bead in the middle of it. Now I'm attaching the tag with the key. And putting the flower on. Y'all, this is just ends up so cute. And I tacked down the tag so it wouldn't swing around and dangle. Taking more jute twine, I string on 5 beads for the right and 5 beads for the left on the hanger. And I just leave them natural to match the raw heartwood. The raw wood of the heart. See, y'all? Oh my gosh. Okay. Then I'm going to glue that down, hot glue it down, and I'm going to use masking tape to, oh, hold on. I tied in knots. Now we're going to hot glue it down. And I use masking tape over the hot glue just to make sure it holds. And I don't cover the back of it because I'm the only one that's going to see it. And then we're done. Yep, we're done. And y'all, this came out so cute. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a blessed day.